Good morning, actually good afternoon. It's March 23rd, or is it the 24th? It's the Tuesday, the last Tuesday in March. And this is the first video for the year. Uh, for Amali Gardens, welcome back. Thank you for watching our videos. Just wanted to update you on what's been going on with the garden. Last season ended pretty well. Unfortunately, I didn't get to harvest potatoes and the sweet potatoes. I did get some harvest of the white potatoes, but this year we're getting ready and raring to go. Just wanted to update you on where we are. Let's go start with the pots that are on the deck. So I lost all my plants because I left them out during the winter, so I'm going to be starting over with my moringa trees and everything else. So that's there. Over here I have another moringa that's planted in that part, and then the lemongrass. I lost that too. I left it out during the winter, but I'm going to see if it bounces back by chance. Normally they don't, but we'll see. And over here we have our herbs. The rosemary, of course, that one can stand the winter, but the others have I lost my catnip, and my mint and stuff is coming back. That usually comes back every year annually. And I planted some more seeds of spinach, and I haven't planted anything in this box yet, but we'll be getting to that. So here we are with our pots. There's nothing in these as yet, but they're prepped and ready for planting. I have my plan on what is going on all the pots. Strawberry is coming back, and I think that one is going to come back as well. That one didn't do too well at the end of the year, but I do have quite a bit of, looks like chives and everything still going in here. So we'll see what happens with these. I think I have some more spinach planted in this spot right here. This is a container I found on the side of the road. I picked it up, so I'm going to use that for water or for just mixing dirt. And eventually, I think it's too big to plant in. That's going to take up way too much soil, so we'll make good use of it. Just wanted to show you the garden beds. Of course, I have some weeding to do to pull out the weeds, but here's a cool thing that I'm going to be doing this year. I used to do chop and drop. That's where I used to pull the weeds. You can see an old heap right there. That's where I used to pull the weeds and just drop them so that they can decompose and fertilize the soil. But what I'm going to be doing this year is I installed these on the DIY worm towers. What they actually are they're plastic coffee cans that I took and I drilled holes in them. I have one inside that I'll show you later, but I've installed 2 in each bed. So what I'll do is kitchen scraps, organic vegetables, fruits and stuff like that are scraps from the kitchen, I will take those and put them in there, along with weeds and any other organic things. I have cardboard and so forth. And what's supposed to happen is as they decompose, of course, it kind of feeds the soil, as well as earthworms, based on theory, are supposed to go in there, eat what's in there that they like, and then go back out and poop the nutrients into the soil. So we'll see how that works this year. So we have 2 in this garden bed. In the U-shaped garden bed, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is a slightly different one. This is actually, I don't know if you know, Oots has the pretzels. That's one of those tall clear plastic Oots containers that I took, and so this one is a bit deeper than the others. The others are about, I would say, a 4.5, 5 inches deep. This one is about maybe almost 12 inches deep, because this is one of the deeper areas of the bed, so that's why I use it here. I also want to show that some asparagus are coming up, and this year we're going to be able to harvest the asparagus. See one there and another one right here. So that's going to be great to be able to harvest and eat asparagus from the garden. Over here I used a slightly different container. These were containers of popcorn, caramel popcorn, and I took those clear containers, and I'll show you one of those containers on the inside that we've used as worm towers. And of course our compost bins are filled with all the stuff, the old plants that I pulled out of the garden after last season. So you see in there some old stalks and cardboard and everything, so I have to mix that one up. And here in the other one is more organic material. So I'm going to probably leave these open so it can get wet because it's been raining. Because you want your compost bins to have a level of moisture. So that's what's been going on. Looking forward to a great year. I'll go inside and I'll show the plans I have for I shall add it to the video, some plans that I have to add, I'm sorry, to how I'm going to be planting this year, the tomatoes and the different crops that I'm going to be growing this year. So looking forward to a great year, and just wanted to update you guys on the garden. Things are looking great. This year it's been raining a lot, so hopefully that carries through the summer, because last summer it didn't rain that much at all. So again, thanks for watching. Post any questions or comments you have, and look forward to hearing from you. And please subscribe and share. Thank you. How could I forget? I wanted to show my starters that I have inside that are doing pretty good. I planted these just 4 days ago on Sunday. Or was that 3 days? And we have a lot of seeds sprouting already. Some nasturtium, some tomatoes sprouted, some lettuce, some Swiss chard back there sprouted, beans and cukes have sprouted. Over here we have some iceberg lettuce that have sprouted, and some radish, sorry, not radish, beets that have sprouted, and carrot. We have a carrot that has sprouted right there. And I just got this grow light the other day, so I'm gonna see how much of a benefit that will be. I don't really have anything to compare it with, but I just thought I'd add that, since they don't necessarily get direct sun in this room. They get kind of residual sun, but we'll see how that. And I have a heater under the table that I have on for a couple hours a day just to help to warm the soil in the pots. Over here, I remember showing you guys the avocado seed that I had. It sprouted, it grew, and it actually has two stalks that came out of the one seed. So, and this aloe, actually I had left it outside during the winter, and the main aloe died, but these two pieces were kind of covered by the main aloe plant, and they survived. So I cut away the old aloe plant and left those in there. I think I'm pretty sure those are gonna really come back and grow into become huge plants themselves. Oh, let me show you the worm towers. This is the DIY worm tower that I built. This is one of the popcorn jars containers that I use, and you see the holes that I drilled in it. And this was another version that I did. I don't have the but it was a similar concept that I used on the coffee cans, the plastic coffee cans. So just wanted to update you on that. Here's a list of what I'm growing this year. So yeah. Again, everything is going great. Have a lot of starters going, and looking forward to getting these guys in the ground in a few weeks when things warm up and the ground is ready for them, and hopefully they'll be much bigger than they are right now. All right, thanks again, and see you next time.